What is the biggest risk of being a chef? What are the biggest risks of being a dentist? What is the biggest risk with each wash? That's right. Now we can neutralize these germs safely, effectively, and chemical-free. With traditional chemical disinfection methods, one can never be totally sure if they are safe and pathogen-free. For our consumers, our employees, our environment, and sustainable business, we want to help minimize risks of traditional disinfection methods. Are chemical solutions really the best choice? BES believes that humanity should pursue a better quality of life without burdening the environment. Therefore, we use one of the most powerful oxidizing forces in nature to protect ourselves and the environment, and to move forward together using the safest, most powerful disinfection technology from nature. At BES Group, we offer our BioSure Professional and BioLux lines that use our patented natural disinfection for a cleaner earth together.